What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Range Rover Giola green. Guys, check this color out, man, dude. You gotta be here to see this in person. It looks absolutely wonderful. Now let's take a slight step back to the back to check how amazing the physical appearance of this car actually looks. It's beautiful. One side here, the dark side, you can't see the green, and then suddenly when it hits the light you can see the green. That is beautiful, man, dude. This is a fantastic looking car, very sleek looking and absolutely huge. Now let's start off with the walk around to show you guys how beautiful this car looks. Yeah, so let's start off the lights. Check out the DRLs that we have right here, man, dude. How at the bottom here it lights up and it looks very much presentable. Can you see that? Amazing looking. You have your headlights, the main ones right here, together with your high beams. Should be that one right there. Beautiful looking. Now let's check out the bottom bumper that we have right here. Amazing copper finish, kind of a satin look. You got this gloss black finishes here and there all over the front bumper. Some gold copper touches right here, bottom there as well. So other DRLs that we have happening over this side as well. Beautiful touch. And these grills that we have right there, you also get your 360 camera located right up there. Number plate casing over here, beautiful openings for air to flow through at the bottom. Absolutely stunning, man. My favorite among everything about the Range Rover cars is that the wording Range Rover that is on the hood, at the front, at the back, all over. Amazing. Opening here, you also have some air to flow through. You got your Land Rover badging right there. Fantastic. You got this satin finish which is like gunmetal that goes all over the place. So beautifully stunning look. What's up, man? So we also have your DRLs that are going through over here, as you can see. Again, beautiful touch. And check the hood out, guys, before we move to the side. Right, gloss black finishing at the top right here. We got this copper kind of like color on the hood. Beautiful touches here and there. These lines that are on the hood, as you can see here and here, makes it look super aggressive and very nice indeed, man. Wow. So let's move to the side. Check out the wheels, man, dude. These wheels are huge. So Pirelli tires, we also get them in the tire size down here, 285 45 R22, 22-inch wheels, and it's matte kind of a texture. Love it. It's not glossy, it's matte. You got your Land Rover brake calipers in black, solid disc brake right at the back there. Land Rover badging right in the center, beautiful. Check it out, man, dude. Amazing wheels, 22-inch. Check out the side right here, you got similar at the top. Check out the lines, man. Similar at the top right here, we got some copper color over there with the gloss black. We got the same ones over here, gloss black together with some copper, stunning. Some lines cutting at the front, going through the sides, down here as well. Beautiful touch. Now, side mirrors. Gloss black side mirrors that are over there. You got the gloss black right on top as well. Goes along the door, go back right, come back down. So the whole center section of the car is actually blacked out. The top and the bottom here has this similar body color, you know, the top one and here, but the center piece is blacked out. I like how it's slowly closing down like a slope, so it looks beautiful. 360 camera down here, blind spot assist right here. Door handles are like this. So let's try and open that up. The step pops up down there. As you can see, Range Rover side steps so that it can assist you in getting in. Check out the plate. Damn, beautiful. Check out the doors, man. You got your seat adjustments over here. I like how they are built in directly, you know. So memory seats 1, 2 and 3, they're built into the seat adjustments. Check that out. Beautiful touch. I love it. Now, side mirror up and down. Windows. You got this white cloud interior kind of a color. Meridian speakers, beautiful looking. Door to open up. I like how this thing is built in such a way to the doors that is not jutting out in any way. You got your lock and unlock buttons over there. Compartment storage down here. Meridian speakers once more down here. This beautiful textured fabric kind of a finish. The color is fantastic, man. Blends in really well with this cloud-like design, guys. Here, leather everywhere. Beautiful. Range Rover plaques right here. Carpet looks very plush and nice. Amazing interior stitching goes all over. The design is fantastic, man, dude. Fantastic. You got some amazing seat belts in black. Dashboard is beautiful looking. Let's take a hop ride in to actually feel how amazing this car actually feels like to be sitting in. So amazing textures right here. Again, you got this sort of like a different kind of a color happening all over the car. Very luxurious feel. Air vents right there. Amazing texture at the top right here. Beautiful, man. Finishing is absolutely amazing. Air vents right there, air vents right there. This should be a glove compartment. Damn. So this goes right there. Amazing. So you have your other charging sockets, I believe. Yep, right there. Cool. Very nice. Let's close that back, close that back. So this is for the up glove compartment and the down glove compartment. Check out the center screen. Let me just set up your vehicle to show you how amazing the interface looks like. I love what I'm looking at, man. I mean, like, just check this out, dude. The way this thing looks, it's like super classy to me. I just love this, man. So let's push that out. Wireless charging right here. You got other compartment storage down here. You got your start stop button right here for the engine. Gear to go into drive, reverse, and also in your park is also there. This right here is an amazing feel where you can just pull it, put your cup holders, your cups inside there. And I believe this you can actually detach in such a way. I will figure more of that out in the future, but close that, open that up. Amazing storage space down here. You got some place where you can keep some stuff so that it sits in just nicely over here, as you can see. So close that back down. Amazing touch. Now we'll get to the driver's seat shortly, but before that, check out the white interior. I'm wearing a black shirt, black seat belts. Makes me look good having a white interior in the car. So beautiful. Now let's get right down and leave that front door open. Now let's open up the rear to show you guys how amazing the rear looks like. So you got your shades happening over here. Let's pull that and release that down. So it hides in directly to the doors, right? Let's pull that back up and hook that back in. Fantastic. So blocks away the shade. You can tint your car if you wish to, but yeah, again, you got this cloud-like color on the exterior. You got this fabric right here happening. Amazing Meridian speakers built into the side right here, I believe down here. So amazing sound system, man, dude. Oh, cool way. So window adjustments right here. You even got your seats adjustments right there so as well. So amazing touch for this. And handles right there. Lock and unlock for the rear. Beautiful touch. I like all this finishing that's happening all over the place. Amazing leather finish. This texture right here, very nice. Again, texture goes all over the doors. Beautiful touch. Speakers right down there. You got these chrome lining, metal plates right here. Can step on this as well to get in if I wish to. But check out the rear, man. Absolutely spacious. Now, let's hop right in. Show you guys how spacious this car actually feels and looks. So again, this is me not adjusting the front seats, but there are tons of legroom space for this beautiful car that we have right here. Now, aircon adjustments, you have your air vents right there. You got other charging sockets down here. Take a look. Some other stuff happening down there, so that's kind of cool. Doors right there. I'm sitting comfortably right here. So now, let's jump to the center, but before that, wait a minute. Let's pull this down. What are we looking at? Okay, cool. So, amazing cup holders that we have right here. This should be for this one right here. I like how the buttons are designed in such a way. Very nice touch. Now let's hop right to the center to show you guys the space. Beautiful. Since we're in the center, take a look at this. Since when? Since when do you get, how to say this? Other adjustments like your armrests for the front driver and passenger, right? You don't need this, but just because it comes, why not? Beautiful. So amazing cover for the glass roof, which can be opened up, but the car has to be started. Check out the side handles that we have right there. Beautiful touch texture. Air vents right here. Some lighting as well down here. Beautiful. And again, as I mentioned, shade, amazing texture, meridian speakers, lock, unlock, doors, beautiful. Let's open up the doors. Side step comes right down. But before that, check out the amount of space. Super huge. Absolutely presentable. Amazing. So, open that up. Petrol cap, 3-liter engine. So, beautiful finish of a car. Now, since we're at the rear, check out the wheels, man, for the rear. So, we are using actually Pirelli tires as well, and 285/45 R22. So, again, rear wheels, matte finish design, love it. Solid disc brakes, caliper is located right at the back there. Land Rover badging right there. Beautiful touch. Now, let's move at the back. Show you guys this amazing rear, sort of like, I wouldn't call it a wing, but a rear sort of like scoop for the back of the car that jots out like that. So it looks really good. You got your 2 shark fins up there. One is for your 360 camera and also for your antenna. Brake lights are located right here. You got your Range Rover wording in this satin finish color. Spot wording right here. And let's open up the hood. You got your 360 camera located right there where the boot is underneath. So amazing storage space once again. We will be trying to fold down the rear seats. I'm not sure if that would be possible, but yeah, in the meantime, hooks right here, keep some stuff. Net right here to keep some stuff. Down here, amazing wheel once more, guys. Damn, you got the same wheel design, Pirelli tires. Same wheel design, same texture. Amazing for that. So you got a hood right here, shade to cover up some stuff for you to hook. In case you close the boot, you don't want people to see what you're keeping down here. That's also very nice indeed. So close that. You can unhook that to put it in if you wish to. But yeah, check this out, man, dude. So you can, wow, amazing how they have all these adjustments that you can do with the car for this huge looking, aggressive looking piece of art. Check this out, man, dude. The lights at the back, I love how it goes like this. Has that cut, then it just goes and then goes and then goes up. So beautiful looking rear. Okay, we got your exhaust pipes, 3-liter exhaust pipes, right? So check out the damn, what's going on down there? What's happening down here? Damn. I like all these rear diffusers that are designed in such an elegant, sleek way. Number plate goes right there. You got your reverse lights as well as your other turn indicators happening over here and here. Stunning looking piece of art. Now, we got to get into the driver's side of things. Door handles, when you lock it, close in, open up, goes back out. So, check out the doors. Memory seats, as I mentioned, for the driver and the passenger, which is over there. Now, window adjustments up and down, child lock for the rear doors to get the windows. This should be for your opening of the trunk or something like that. Got to figure that out. Air suspension, maybe, perhaps. But yes, you're looking at side mirror adjustments, folding of the mirrors, all are done here. Beautifully done. Door handles to open up, lock, unlock over here. Opening up of, your storage space, Range Rover step right here, Range Rover wording right there. Amazing spot pedals that you get right there. Open up the front hood, we'll do that in a while more. But yes, check out the amazing white interior. Absolutely beautiful, man, dude. Love how this looks. Now let's hop right in. Stepping up. Glass roof. Beautiful. Now, amazing. Now let's find a way to see if we can try to turn off the, there we go, the lights. So it's a bit making that sound, but yeah. You got your display right there that shows you the information. You also got your head-up display located right there. Amazing touch of a screen. I love this screen. I love how it looks. Okay, you got some storage space down here with your Type-C charging right there. Check that out from here. Amazing space indeed. Amazing space. So, steering wheel. You have other controls right here. You got other controls right here. Now with the car started, I believe, you guys can actually see what's going on. But other controls will be over here displayed. On this side right here, you got your negative shift and upshift right here for you to adjust your speed when you're driving. Your side mirror, your wipers adjustments are here together with your sprinklers, I believe. And then this right here is for your signals together with your lighting as well as your high beam over here. Air vents right here, amazing texture over here. Boot opening right there to open up and close, and front hood opening right there. So amazing touch of a car. I love how this car looks. What I really love about this car, the color green, the interior, which is this cloud kind of a color. It looks beautiful, man. The steering wheel, and also yes, the Range Rover wording right there. So absolutely huge and nice looking car. So getting down is super comfortable as well. So let's open up the front hood. Okay, open up once. Straight ahead right here. Show you guys. I'm not sure if there's a lever right here to actually open, but let's take a look. Okay, yeah, there's one over there. So amazing hood. Let's open that up. 3-liter engine, guys. Beautiful. Very much clean looking, presentable. Got your bar right there. Stunning looking piece of art, guys. Aggressive looking car, beautiful looking car. Let's turn on the turn indicators to show you guys. But before that, let's close this. And let's open up hazard lights. Where can I find them? Right there. Okay, cool. So, turn indicators are located right here, where your car is actually having your turn indicators. Other ones are up here. Amazing touch for a car like this. Beautiful. So, you also get right there, but now let's take a look at the rear. Check out how they are right here. How they go from this side to that side. Amazing looking piece of art. So yeah, so that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Range Rover cars, do head down to Arada Mansara, Sime Darby, where they have plenty of these beautiful cars on display for you to experience. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.